guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a pre-recorded video. I got the Texas Chainsaw Massacre keychain. I'm gonna unbox for you guys. So I have all of the papers. Box, but I'm checking the thing. I am folding so you cannot see my credit card. That's how much I spent on the keychain. $5 was like $5.99. I'm so excited. This is my first merchandise from the movie. My first. That's what it looks like. Oh my freaking gosh. It's so pretty. It's so cool. Okay. I'm going to unwrap it. Unwrap. Oh my goodness. You can see how excited I am. Look how detailed it looks. Oh my goodness. I got this off of Elm Street Toys.com. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put the link to their website, and if they have a YouTube channel or any social media, I'm gonna link it down below. I ripped a little bit off like the box, try to open it so carefully. Oh my goodness, I was so sad that I ripped it a little. So I took it out. I'm so excited. Now I switch over to a table so you can see much better. Look how good it looks. You can see my reaction of how detailed this keychain is. You can see how detailed it is. Oh my gosh, I had to look at it before I show you it again. Oh my goodness. I am amazed on how the detail and how they did the artwork. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Oh my goodness. I love it. I am obsessed with this horror movie so much. I'm obsessed. I'm showing you the box, the detail, and I don't know why I'm doing ASMR. I'm doing a voiceover. Look at the detail. And one of the sides they put in the photo of like a... I am in love with this. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye.